This is Pete from NT Realty, helping you buy and sell property in Montenegro, especially in the Kotor area. And today we're in Tivat. It's a great location. I don't know if you can see behind me, beautiful views of Tivat Bay and Lushtica and Sveti Marko Island and things over there. Very handy for the airport, Tivat Airport. And you're probably equidistant here from Tivat and Kotor, depending on the season, but you're about a 10-minute drive from each location. Great facilities here. It's in a apart hotel complex, so it's a 4-star complex. It's really handy because you can actually give it to the operators to manage for you, or you can manage it yourself. Beautiful big pool, great facilities like a nice gym, conference center, so it's attracting all year round bookings. And it's new, this is great. And if it's something you're looking for you and your family, then this is really one to consider. So let me get on the other side of the camera. I'll take you through the place. I've also got a Matterport 3D kind of model of the place as well. So the link will be in the description, so you can actually look at the Matterport as well, and you can even take measurements of that and sort of do it, walk through step by step. So I'll go on the other side and let's see what you think. So as I mentioned, these are the views. West facing, so you're going to get the sunsets all year round. That's 47 square meters. That includes the terrace, but great space here for table and chairs, maybe a sun lounger. You've got parking here just by the entrance of the building. As I've mentioned, it's kind of a 4-star hotel quality. So nice kind of fixtures and fittings. The furniture's included as well. So aircon here, nice kind of hidden curtain rails with the lighting behind it. Beautiful fitted kitchen with the integrated appliances. So Bosch sort of oven and hob. It's got a little integrated dishwasher as well, integrated fridge, beautifully finished. Here's the bathroom. Really nicely done. Boiler, little space here for your washing machine as well. And here's the bedroom. So nice space as well. The bedroom has these amazing views. So that's pretty cool. And also these kind of floor to ceiling sliding door kind of wardrobes as well. Let me spin the camera around. I'm Peter at NT Realty. If you have any questions about the place, feel free to ask me. And looking forward to seeing your comments and getting your likes and subscribes.